It's cold.
It's just cold.
It's real cold,
Well,
man.
you know, 34 degrees when I got out.
Dude, that's my breath. My breath is literally fogging the camera.
I had frost on my windshield. I had to scrape.
That's nuts, dude.
Look at this fool.
He looks homeless.
But a homeless man that knows how to hang his clothes. Look at this thing.
Bro, you got-
Fancy. Hey, you want me to iron this for you?
Bro, you got your own hanger?
Re-threaded. He's ready for a shower. Look at this thing, bro. He's got warm water in here.
I boiled water this morning for us.
What a guy.
Bro,
He's like, if you keep messing with me, it's just gonna be for me. He's getting the freezing balls off out there. Wow.
bro, honestly, if I didn't know you, I would legitimately think you're homeless.
It's too early for you.
You've got a homeless stance.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the colors. You know? Bro, look at that.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies.
So foggy, dude. Hey, where you going?
Water in the trees, man.
Sir, you can't do that here.
I can do it anywhere.
This is public property. I think this is it. This is the new look for me.
You look like a beard.
No, I should get it to
Beard,
like tie
It
it
looks
up
like
in
one of
front
those
of me.
fake beards that you get with a beanie.
Dude, I could rock a big beard.
You could. Not yet.
You do need a new wetsuit. You got holes in that thing.
Listen, man, my
And
coming up.
you're looking real peachy.
Well, then why is she called Aunt Fanny?
Whoa!
Yeah, look, it's rolling in over here.
Nice wallpaper. Yeah, hold on. Let me help you out.
Smells like cheese.
Whoa, dude. It's so dumb.